Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Minnesota. Once again we got snow. Just a few days ago we had none. I got a short little video here for you. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. It's not probably really much of a video, but it's what I got for you. I'm gonna pull the backhoe into the shop and hopefully do a little quick fix to it. It's not really cold out, but I'm guessing it's gonna need a shot of the good stuff. That thing's a little bit of a tight fit getting in here. Couldn't be any taller. Well, I could lift the back of the hoe up. My favorite UPS man showed up with a part for the backhoe the other day. It was only about 135 pounds. He told me he really enjoys those packages like that. So I'll have to see if I can find some more heavy ones. I'm just kidding. Well, I gotta get that cleaned off a little bit. Hopefully it's not too late. I don't think this has ever had a cutting edge on it. It's gonna get one today. As you can see, this should have had a cutting edge put on a long time ago, because the original one is probably out to there or so. Another 2 inches longer, at least an inch longer if you go by the edge here. So hopefully it's not too late. I'm sure these buckets are not all that cheap. Although I wouldn't mind, what is it, one of them 4-in-1 buckets, but I don't have the control in here for it. Looks like it all lines up. Call these plow bolts. should do a lot better for a while. If the original one wore back about an inch, this one should probably last my lifetime. And it's thicker and reversible. So when you wear out the one side, you flip it over and wear out the other side. Let's go see if it can move some snow. Can't imagine moving snow with a two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive backhoe is bad enough. Pretty much got to steer this thing with your feet once you have the bucket down. It loses traction so easy. Front end so light already. Then you got the bucket down. It just goes wherever it wants to go. But this thing sure would beat a loader tractor, I would think. Especially some old one like I used to run. There you go, guys. That's what I got for you today. I personally don't think that the TLB is all that great of a snow moving machine. If that's what you got, that's what you get used to, you can probably be pretty good at it. I think a skid steer or a pickup with a V-plow on would do just as good or better. This thing is pretty light in the front end. You almost got to steer with your brakes, and it loses traction pretty easy with these more of dirt tires on and whatnot. But it can put a snow pile pretty high. I think that's probably higher than what the skid steer could, unless you had a really good push going on with some sort of a snow pusher. And I don't think I can quite get it that high with the pickup, unless you got a really good push in front of it. But that new cutting edge should last me a long time. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?